Hello. So, from last time, it seems that nothing has changed, but in reality, a lot of things has changed. So now we can switch the texture on fly, thanks to having a new resource manager that I talked about in the last video. And I pretty much implemented exactly what I was talking there. So it handles the descriptor heap and the actual heaps. So I have currently two different heaps, one for the textures and one for the buffers, and then I have two descriptor heaps also. And currently I'm just using the texture descriptor heap for this thing, as you don't really need the you don't really need to pass the buffer data through the descriptor to the shader. Of course, later I can do that. It should be fairly simple. But yeah, you can see things work. You can resize and things like that. It's all good. You can switch the images. It's working quite well. But yeah. And yeah, the resource manager is quite simple. There is an upload thing that handles all the copy queue stuff and copy command lists, and then there is this actual allocator thing that first finds a free slots, free index from the descriptor heap, and then it goes and looks at the heap. Can we actually allocate something there? If we can, then we remove that amount of like free region from the information table or the allocation info, and then we actually create the texture. We pass the start offset of the new allocation, mark it as the copy destination, and yeah, then we create the shader resource view, and that's pretty much it. It's quite simple. Currently there is no way to release any of this. It comes later when I actually start needing it. There is no point of writing anything when you don't need it, so yeah. And then on the render side, we just pass the descriptor heap to the pipeline, and thanks to the constant buffer view that we have, we can actually look at the shader. We have a texture index there, and the textures are as an array. So we map the whole descriptor heap, and then once we go and sample it, we just pass the texture ID, which then tells which texture should we use. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's quite simple, quite nice. So you can always do something cool. Now we can see different colors there and whatnot. I don't know, just an interesting shader. Yeah, that's it.